Hey, good afternoon. It is Monday, April 29th. Got a little bit of a flat market action happening right now. A couple of new things going on. There's a new NinjaTrader version coming out tomorrow. It's got some really cool things in this update. I recommend that you check it out tomorrow when you get your email. One of the new things is this Market Watch. It's on your in your control panel, new Market Watch, and it gives you this blank board like your market analyzer is, and you just right click on it, add an instrument. And what this does, it puts a histogram on the chart to show you this net change. Now that's what we've always had on our market analyzer. We show it as a number, and now you can see it in the new component called Market Watch as a histogram. So if that helps you visualize whether the markets are going long or short, so you can see the equities are all long, barely. I mean, they're just, barely. They're sort of treading water. But the bonds are short, indicating that that long is in place for the equities. So there you go. That's new. There's also some other things that are pretty cool with the NinjaTrader 8 update, so you want to definitely check out that new update when you get your email tomorrow. And for the J-Auto Trading Strategies complete package members, I'm going to be providing a new indicator in the near future, working on it now, and it's the opening range indicator. And the way I have the market data compiling with this, I've color coded the overnight session in purple and the RTH 1 hour session in yellow, which makes it look orange. But when you are moving outside the overnight range or the RTH session, you don't get any color coding at all. And that's what we're really looking for. First, we're looking for to break out of this overnight session. So that's one thing. And then we get into our 1 hour initial balance. And then if you break out over that, also, this is where you don't get any color coding. And this is the part that is the part that we all want, because that is your excessive imbalance. And that doesn't happen but about 2 or 3 times a month. Most of the time your market is going to stay within these ranges. And so that's why they say the market range is about 70 or 80% of the time. And now you can really see that color coded, and you can see how nicely this lays on the JATS LRT lines indicator, giving us a more complete picture of where price is relative to the prior open and the overnight high and low of that overnight session. So when you see, for instance, the market trying to break up and out of this range here, this is when you want to get excited about it and try to hit those trades to the upside. And that's sort of what we're seeing today. We broke above the 1 hour initial balance and went up to the overnight line, and now we've sort of stalled at these prior levels, and that's what my green lines are. This top line is the all-time high, and you can see we're very much flirting right underneath all-time highs. So we're just sort of sitting up there cooling our heels right now. And here's a little indicator for that strategy of just using when it breaks out of that opening range parameter that I've coded in. This is not ready to be released. I'm working on the indicator and the Bloodhound template, but this will be your next component for your JATS complete package. I hope you like it. We'll be using it in the trade room this week, and then checking it all out and getting it all ready for you for release in the near future. But this I would like to use on the 30-minute, 15-minute, 3-minute, 2-minute, 1-minute charts. You cannot, unfortunately, use this on lower charts. I mean, you can't use a 4-minute, you can't use a 6-minute or an 8-minute chart. It has to match that 30-minute time frame or the 60-minute time frame. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 15, 30, that'll work. I guess a 10-minute chart would work too, but but not a 4-minute and not a range chart and not a Unirigo chart. So here we are also on the daily. You can see that our regression channel has gone sideways now. It is no longer pointing down. So the market did pull back up to clear those highs out. And you can basically see that we're just going to be ranging up and down in these markets. And that's what we're doing now. It's gotten very flat up here, and you can see that each time we hit a new level, we're greeted with a red line, and that means do not go. That means you're out of room. So I'm expecting this to fail back into the value area, but usually you need a white line to get that breakout like that. Otherwise, you're just trading to the levels on the JATS LRT lines bands. And so that's why this is so wonderful to have it now. We've got the complete football field. We know that when we're out of bounds and to be looking for taking profits, closing up trades and expecting that reversal back to the midline and or that opposite band. So now we have our overnight range in purple and our RTH range in yellow, and we can see those boundaries so clearly now. Everything is becoming crystal clear as far as being able to trade to a prior level, a prior open, a prior halfback, and then we can put our other indicators on here as far as the prior day open, high, low, close, pivot points, Fibonacci levels, and so here it is with the market profile levels, and you can see that we went back to the value high, and so we just trade level to level and try to go with the order flow, with the slope, and with the momentum, linear regression, and higher time frame trend. And we'll be putting these Bloodhound templates to try to help us with those trade ideas. And also, this is the direction guide, by the way. This is the equities, and so you can put, and here's the one that I have for the opening range entry. That is being a work in progress, but you can put different templates together to help you, especially if you're going to be trading like a 1-minute chart, something like that, to help you time your entries. So great new things coming together for NinjaTrader, and keep your eye out. I think Jeremy is working on another update also for the Bloodhound platform, and it's all coming together. It's all looking great. Some great software here, great platforms, and come check us out in the trade room and see for yourself. See you this week, and talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.